Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about the money wave. This program really helped me to unblock some fake beliefs I had. So I'm here today to share with you my experience and tell you everything you need to know about this program. I also have an alert to share that you must know before I actually purchase it. So stay tuned into the end of this video. But it was advanced, guys, and left the link for the official website just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box, click on the link below, then you will go directly to their official website. But I recommend you guys to stay with me to the end because the alerts will be available only here on this video. So guys, the Money Wave is a program that was designed to help people who want to, change their financial life. A lot of people don't understand how our beliefs, how the way we were raised by our parents, the things we listened to related to money could really influence our lives today as an adult. And it was really influencing me. I was not born in a rich family. My family was poor, so we had those thoughts that money is not good or money doesn't come from trees, you can't plant money, and these things like that, the money is never enough, you never have enough money to buy things, to pay things. So we always grow up with these in mind, and it can really affect our financial life when we are adults. And this program really helped me to unblock it, unlock my financial potential to really achieve everything I want in my life. It's a special wave that goes directly to this area of our brain that achieves it and makes us more cool with that, in a good relationship with money. So it's easier for us to keep money, to manifest money and everything. You just need to be committed to it and listen to it every single day. It's really fast, guys, 5-7 minutes. So it's easy to put in your daily routine and listen to it every single day, that you will see the changes coming along the days. Besides all of these benefits, the producer even offers you a money back guarantee, so you can actually test it, and if you don't see results, they return all of your money back. Just be sure that you are on the official website before purchasing it, because this program is only available to buy on the official website. It is not possible to purchase it in other websites, so be very careful with that. That's why I left the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can buy the original program from, nowhere else, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching till here. I hope my experience have helped you. Sometimes you're blocked to make more money, to have money because of things like that. So it's really interesting to have something to unlock all of that, all of your potential. So the link is just below.